Welcome back to our cozy corner of the podcast world. Today, I want you to take a moment and envision the perfect beach day. Picture this. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm golden glow over everything it touches. You can feel a gentle breeze dancing across your skin, and beneath your feet, the soft, warm sand invites you to relax and unwind. There's something undeniably magical about the beach, isn't there? As you pack up your essentials, maybe a book you've been wanting to read, or that oversized beach towel you love, a vibrant rainbow arches gracefully over the sea. It's a stunning reminder of nature's beauty and its ability to surprise us even in the simplest moments. You're dressed in your favorite cozy sundress from Free People. It's that perfect blend of comfort and style. It flows beautifully as you move, and you feel completely at ease. But just as you're soaking in that blissful vibe, the skies start to shift, and the rain begins to roll in. Oh, just when you thought it couldn't get any more picturesque. Well, I guess it's time to head home, right? Now, picture this. After a refreshing hot shower, you wash away the sandy remnants of your adventures. The sound of water cascading down is soothing, and maybe, just maybe, your favorite tunes are gently playing in the background, creating the perfect ambience. Imagine taking a moment to pamper your skin with some luscious moisturizer. You feel the heaviness of the day melt away as you drift off into a peaceful nap, reflecting on all the joy packed into just a few hours. There's a sense of gratitude that washes over you, a deep appreciation for those perfect moments. When you wake up, the day is still alive with possibilities, and it's time for drinks and fun. You slip into something soft and flowy, an outfit that effortlessly complements the stunning sunset outside your window. You know what they say, comfort over heels any day, right? You grab the best seat in the house, one that offers a view of the expansive horizon where the sun meets the sea. It feels like the world is stretching out endlessly before you. Good friends gather around, laughter bubbling up like the sparkling drinks in your hands. The delicious food laid out in front of you feels like a warm hug for your spirit. It's in these perfect moments, surrounded by laughter, love, and friendship, that you might find yourself pondering the essence of happiness. What does it really mean to be happy? So, I pose this question to you. What's your version of the perfect beach day? Take a moment to reflect on your joyful summer memories, the laughter shared with friends, and those breathtaking sunsets that seem to last forever. As we cherish these golden days of summer, I wish for you a long season filled with unforgettable moments. So, grab that sunblock, pack your favorite snacks, and prepare to embrace the season ahead. Whether it's beach days, picnics in the park, or lazy afternoons lounging in your backyard, let's savor every moment together. Remember, happiness is found in the little things, in the gentle breeze, and in the company we keep. Until next time, keep dreaming of those sun-kissed memories, and let's make this summer the best one yet.